Summary of logical group instructions. We are having 3 AND operation instructions, 3 OR operation instructions, 3 exclusive OR operations instructions, and 3 compare type instructions. Here ANAR, ANAM and ANI data. R stands for register, M stands for memory, and data stands for byte 2. Same instructions are repeated for OR group also. OR R, M and data, that is for register, memory and byte 2. For exclusive OR also register, memory and byte 2. For compare also register, memory and byte 2. Whenever R is there, addressing mode is register. Whenever M is there, addressing mode is register indirect. And whenever data 8, that is addressing mode is immediate. Byte 2, addressing mode is immediate. Content of R logically ANDed with accumulator. Content of memory logically ANDed with accumulator. Byte 2 of the data logically ANDed with accumulator. Same is there. Content of R logically ORed with accumulator. Content of memory logically ORed with accumulator. Byte 2 of the instruction logically ORed with accumulator. Content of R exclusively ORed with accumulator. Content of memory exclusively ORed with accumulator. Byte 2 of the data exclusively ORed with accumulator. But in AND operation, carry flag and carry flag reset, auxiliary carry flag set. For all the 3 instructions, carry flag reset, auxiliary carry flag set. But for OR operation and exclusive OR operation, carry as well as auxiliary carry flag will reset. And for compare instruction, you have to remember one thing. Here A minus R is given, A minus contents of memory location is given, A minus byte 2 of the instruction is given. In all the 3 instructions, the subtraction takes place, but the content of accumulator remains unchanged. It does not alter. Depending upon the answer, flags are set or reset. If in all the 3 instructions, if accumulator is having value less than register, less than memory or less than byte 2, then carry flag will set, otherwise reset. In all the 3 instructions, if content of accumulator equal to content of register, equal to content of memory or equal to byte 2 of the instruction, then 0 flag will set, otherwise reset. These are the first 12 instructions from logical group. Then I am going to explain first 17th, 18th and 19th. Then I will proceed for the next 13, 14, 15 and 16 instruction. CMA complement accumulator. Whatever the number present in accumulator, its complement is taken and again stored in accumulator. CMC similarly as CMA, complement of carry flag is taken and again it is stored in carry flag. And STC, that is set carry to 1. The carry flag is set to 1. These are the total 12 plus 3, that is 15 instructions, and 4 instructions, that is rotate type instructions. These are the 4 rotate type instructions. RAR. RAR, that means towards right. Here it is shown with the arrow towards right. The A0 is going to carry. Carry is shifted to A7 and A7 is shifted to A6. In that way, RAR operation takes place. In RRC, again towards right, here arrow is shown, again towards right. But the difference is that A0 takes the position of carry as well as A0 takes the position of A7. The remaining part is going to remain the same. A7 takes the position of A6, A6 takes the position of A5 and so on. Next instruction is RAL, that is towards left. Towards left, that means from MSB you have to start towards left. Here A7 takes the position of carry as well as carry goes to A0. A7 takes the position of carry, carry goes to A0 and A0 takes the position of A1, A1 takes the position of A2 and so on. RLC, that is again towards left. Again towards left, that means from MSB you have to consider. A7 takes the position of carry and A7 takes the position of A0. A7 takes the position of carry, A7 takes the position of A0. A0 takes the position of A1, A1 takes the position of A2, A2 takes the position of A3 and so on. For all the four instructions, addressing mode is said to be implied or implicit. All the four instructions are of 1 byte and for all the four instructions only carry flag gets affected. Remaining flag are going to remain the same. These are the four instructions from rotate group and these are the total 15 instructions. For AND operation you are having 3 instructions. For OR operations you are having 3 instructions. For exclusive OR operations you are having 3 instructions. Compare you are having 3 instructions. In compare you have to remember one thing. If content of accumulator is less than content of register R or is less than content of memory or is less than byte 2 of the instruction, carry flag will set, otherwise carry flag will set, otherwise reset. And if both the contents, content of accumulator equal to content of register or equal to content of memory or equal to content of byte 2 of the instruction, then 0 flag will set, otherwise reset.